Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are discussing for a 10 new free development courses in Udemy. The first course is VSD, a complete guide to install open source EDA tools, a step toward freedom in IC designing. These courses are demanding 3 hours and 36 days to read course, and you will learn to these courses install open source tools only on their personal laptop or computer and get started with the example and designing showcased in all my other courses, and this will be the first course to be complete and implemented before taking all other courses, and everyone who was already enrolled to my other course will be able to overcome the challenge installing open source tools. So check out the introduction video. Okay, the next course is Learn Brackeist, the open source test editor. Brackeist is the free open source code editor. Explore its many powerful features in the tutorial. This course demanding 1 hour duration in the course, and you will learn to this course download and install brackets, your brackets to edit document, install and remove plugin and themes. So let's check out the introduction video.
Live code editor in Brackets is an innovative feature which allows you to edit code in real time. Brackets will edit your code in a front-end project by using a invisible Node.js backend to detect what your code is doing. Let's create a simple example. Create a new file. We'll just call it rule.css, and we'll create a new rule, and we'll just create a new class .swag, and we'll make the color red. Save that. Now we'll make a new file.
The next course is web hosting, creating and host your website online. Web hosting, learn how to host a website and get online launch your first website. This course demanding for a 33-minute demanding duration, and you will learn to this course student will learn how to host a website and how to use FTP client and how to create a launch a personal website and how to edit a website template. I will show you guys how to take the course. Click the go to course button. Yeah, this is the course. Okay, these course only 10 lectures are available. 3 sections are including this course. Okay, and the next course is making chatbot and voice app with a Dialogflow. Learn build a chatbot and voice application for Google Assistant, Facebook, Slack using Dialogflow, Firebase. Okay, these courses are demanding 2 hours and 12-minute duration, and you will learn to this course you will learn how to make a business chatbot for any website, Google Assistant, Facebook Messenger and other messaging platforms. Okay, this course is 20,416 students enroll in this course. Okay, the next course is learn the basic of web scraping in 60 minutes or less. Learn to web scrape from an expert in this free fast track course, giving you all the fundamental other course miss. And this course demanding only 55-minute demanding video, and 19,463 students enroll in this course. And you will learn to this course. After the course you will have a far better understanding of you how to decipher and website and code the best possible scrap strategy of each site. So let's check out how many lectures are including this course. Enroll now and the start course, and yeah, only 10 lectures are including this course, Okay, the next course is automate your G Suite administration with Google Sheet. Save time in G Suite administration by automating it with this free Google Sheet add-on and become a pro admin today. This is only 39-minute demanding video and 8,584 students enroll in this course, and you will learn to this course. After the course, you should be able to save your time in G Suite administration by performing bulk operation G Suite like creating, deleting, suspending, updating and exporting G Suite user group members, aliases and much more. Let's check out how many lectures are included in this course. Enroll now and start the course. So guys, this course only 15 lectures are included in this course and total 39 minutes. So let's check out the next course. The next course is Information System Concept in ISIT Organizational Strategy, Competitive Advantage, Knowledge Management. These courses are only 36 minutes and demanding video. These are small courses, small length course, and you will learn to this course. Student will understanding about organization and competition, and students will understand about ethic and privacy within organization and data knowledge in and organization and learn how to manage it. And the last one, various kind of IT hardware and software. The next course is Information System Analysis and Designing. Analysis and Designing of Information Systems Object-Oriented Approach. These courses are only 49 minutes demanding video and 4,287 students enroll in this course. And you will learn to this course and understand the definition of the analysis system and the work of with the analysis system as a problem solver. And know the concept of modeling tools and able to use it according to the requirement to the need of the user, and creating domain models and their description to describe the data storing needed by the system. The next course is the SDLC model basic of beginner. Learn basic of software development life cycle and its model. This course are only 32-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course know basic knowledge about software development basis and different SDLC models. Let's check out how many lectures including this course. Enroll now and start the course. These course only 9 lectures are including this course. Okay, the next course, these courses are last and final course in the video. Free Microsoft Dynamics 365 Power App Developer course. Beginner course on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Power App Development for EX Microsoft Employee. This course only 2 hours on demanding video, and 14,634 students enroll in this course. And you will learn to this course overview of Dynamics 365 development, overview of plugin development and building JavaScript web resource, and understanding architecture of Dynamics 365 and overview of a Power App development, extending common data service. Okay, that's all. I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.